Protect your property with reliable surveillance designed for day and night monitoring. Today, we're going over the best security cameras outdoor from our top picks: motion detection, remote access, and dependable performance to help keep homes, driveways, yards, and entryways secure year-round. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. Aosu Auto Tracking Security Camera. The Aosu Auto Tracking Security Camera is an impressive solution for homeowners seeking a reliable, subscription-free outdoor security system. One of its biggest advantages is the included Aosu base, which provides encrypted local storage without requiring monthly fees. With 32 gigabytes of built-in storage capable of holding up to 4 months of recordings, users can enjoy long-term video retention while maintaining control over their data. The camera's solar-powered design adds another layer of convenience. With only a few hours of sunlight required daily, the unit can continue operating efficiently even during cloudy or raining conditions. The installation process is straightforward, requiring only a few mounting holes and minimal setup time. The standout feature is its 360-degree pan and tilt capability combined with automatic motion tracking. This allows the camera to follow moving subjects and record activity without leaving significant blind spots. Video quality is also strong, offering 2K level clarity through a 3MP sensor. During nighttime monitoring, 4 built-in LED lights improve visibility and deliver enhanced color night vision, making it easier to identify people and objects. Number 2. ANSQUE 360-degree PTZ Security Camera. The ANSQUE 360-degree PTZ Security Camera offers a feature-rich home surveillance experience designed for users who want advanced security without recurring subscription costs. At the heart of the system is ANSQUE Base, which includes 32 gigabytes of secure local storage capable of holding up to 120 days of event recordings. This eliminates ongoing fees while protecting stored footage with AES-128 encryption. The camera's full 360-degree viewing capability ensures extensive property coverage, making it suitable for monitoring driveways, front yards, pools, and large outdoor spaces. Its intelligent AI tracking system automatically follows detected individuals, helping ensure important activity remains within view. Video quality is another strength, thanks to its enhanced 2K imaging system and 7-layer HD glass lens that delivers crisp footage with improved color accuracy. The inclusion of 8x digital zoom allows users to inspect details, such as package labels or vehicle information.
Number 3. Eufy S340 Security Camera. The Eufy S340 Security Camera stands out as a premium outdoor surveillance option that combines advanced imaging technology with practical, maintenance-free operation. One of its most notable features is the dual camera system that captures footage in ultra-clear 3K resolution, delivering exceptional image detail for both live monitoring and recorded playback. The integrated 8x zoom capability allows users to examine distant objects and activity without sacrificing clarity, making it easier to identify visitors, vehicles, or suspicious movement. Designed for complete property monitoring, the camera offers full 360-degree pan and tilt functionality that eliminates common blind spots around driveways, yards, and entrances. Its solar-powered design further enhances convenience by reducing the need for manual charging. The detachable solar panel continuously replenishes the battery, helping maintain uninterrupted surveillance throughout the year. Installation is refreshingly simple, requiring only a few minutes thanks to its compact, wire-free construction. Another major advantage is Eufy's commitment to local storage and the absence of mandatory subscription fees. Buyers can enjoy full functionality without worrying about ongoing monthly expenses, making ownership more cost-effective over time.
Number 4. GMK Waterproof Security Camera. The GMK Waterproof Security Camera system is an attractive option for homeowners seeking an affordable multi-camera security package. This 4-camera kit provides broad property coverage right out of the box, making it suitable for monitoring entrances, garages, backyards, and other vulnerable areas. Each camera records in 2K Ultra HD resolution, producing clear and detailed footage that exceeds traditional 1080p systems. The inclusion of both infrared and full-color night vision ensures effective monitoring after dark, allowing users to capture important details even in low-light environments. The cameras are fully wireless and battery-powered, eliminating the need for complex wiring during installation. Battery life is respectable, with the ability to support extended standby periods and thousands of motion-triggered events before requiring a recharge. Motion detection performance is enhanced by PIR sensing and AI analysis, helping reduce unnecessary alerts while ensuring users receive notifications when meaningful activity occurs. Number 5. Cinnado S1 Security Camera. The Cinnado S1 Security Camera delivers a modern security experience by combining solar-powered convenience, AI-enhanced monitoring, and flexible storage options. Designed for users who prefer a completely wireless installation, the camera features an integrated solar panel that continuously recharges the battery when exposed to sunlight. This eliminates the need for power cables and simplifies placement around driveways, gardens, garages, and entry points. The camera records in sharp 2K resolution, providing noticeably better image quality than standard Full HD models. During nighttime operation, built-in spotlights automatically activate to produce full-color night vision, making it easier to identify people, clothing, and other important details after dark. Intelligent motion detection is another strong point. By combining PIR sensing with AI analysis, the system can better distinguish between genuine security threats and common sources of false alarms, such as moving branches or small animals. That wraps up the top 5 best security cameras outdoor. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.